Hi everyone, welcome to Cloud Perceptor channel. Today I'm going to explain you about the AWS global infrastructure availability zones. So availability zone and regions are closely related, and availability zones are also known as AZs. So AZs are essentially the physical data centers of AWS. This is where the actual compute, storage, network and database resources are hosted that we as a consumer provision within our virtual private clouds. A common misconception is that a single availability zone is equal to a single data center. But remember, this is not the case. In fact, it's more likely that multiple data centers located close together form a single availability zone. Each AZ will always have at least one or other AZ that is geographically located within the same area. Okay, usually within a city, linked by a highly resilient and very low latency private fiber optic connections. However, each AZ will be isolated from others using separate power and network connectivity that minimizes the impact to other AZ. Okay. In case a single availability zone fails. These low latency links between AZs are used by many AWS services to replicate data for high availability and resilience purposes. For example, when an RDS relational database service is configured for multi-AZ deployments, AWS uses synchronous replication between its primary and secondary database, and asynchronous replication for any other read replicas that have been created. Okay, so as you can see over here, right? Uh, See, this is an AWS region, okay, and I have the master database is in one of the AZ and standby replica in the other AZ, okay, and there is a synchronous application, okay. So as I told you, right, there is a high fiber optic low latency connection. So this is what it is, okay. Let me highlight it. So remember, this is the connection that we are talking about, the low latency connection between two AZ, okay. So let's say if this fails, okay, the master fails, then the standby replica will come into action and it will serve the purpose. So that's what the purpose is for the availability zones. Okay. So remember, when you design your architecture, always use multi-AZ for high availability and resilience purpose. Okay. So same is for the read replica. So this is where the async replication happens. Okay. And see, these are the AZ I was talking about. So in this particular region, this is the region over here, what you see. Okay. And these are the 5 AZ that are located in a particular region. So they can be either located, in different cities, connected using a high fiber optic connection, okay, in the same region. So yeah, and let me just walk you through across the AWS website, which shows the AWS global infrastructure. All right, so this was the AWS global infrastructure website I was talking about. I'll paste the link of this website in the comment section, okay, the description. So here you will be able to see like whatever the number of regions that are available in AWS, the availability zones that are available in AWS, and at locations and regional data cache. Okay, so currently 31 launch regions are there, 3399 availability zones, and 400 plus at locations. Okay, over here you're gonna see the AWS global infrastructure map where you can see these regions. Okay, and uh, the availability zone within it. Okay, so when you click on this particular region, okay, like the North America region, it's gonna show you the availability zones, at locations, and regional data case information. If a particular uh, region is yet to come, then it's gonna show you like this, okay, in the red circle, okay, like Canada West is yet to arrive, so showing like this. Israel is coming soon, okay, Thailand is also coming soon, and here Auckland is also coming soon, right? So it shows the overall uh, statistics of particular region. Okay, when you click on this list view, it's gonna list down all the regions. Okay, there is a lot of other information that is available which you can go through, like what are the benefits and all. Okay, I'm definitely gonna post this link in the description so you can refer that. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you again.